Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Log into Streamlabs using your streaming account and go to the dashboard. Navigate the left menu and click Widgets to open the widgets list. Locate Alert Box and click it to configure follow notifications for your channel. Click Add Source to include the alert box into your live scene layout immediately. Position the alert box source on your scene canvas and resize it using drag handles for proper display. Save the scene changes so the follow alerts will load for your live stream. Select the alert box settings and open the Follows tab for customization options. Choose an alert sound from the library or upload a custom MP3 or OGG file for branding. Upload a GIF or static image and set animation duration to 4 seconds for a smooth display. Configure text fields for username, message, and font size to match your overlay design requirements. Set minimum follow amount to 1 to ensure all follows trigger the alert during streams and recordings. Use the test follow button in the alert box settings to verify animation, sound, and text display. Watch the test on your scene canvas and confirm the alert sits above webcam and game capture layers. Adjust opacity, scale, and position if the alert overlaps important on-screen elements during gameplay. Enable global alerts and save settings to ensure follow notifications persist across scenes and sessions. If alerts fail to appear, restart Streamlabs and reauthorize any disconnected account integration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.